बात एक तो ये है कि वी यूजुअली सॉर्ट ऑफ कोरिलेट कि जो हमारी ज़िंदगी का पर्पस है, राइट? वही हमारा पैशन होता है एंड उसी चीज़ को हमें हमेशा पूरी लाइफ कंटिन्यू करना चाहिए, राइट?
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, now that I have changed my career at least 2 or 3 times and now I'm finally doing what I love doing. So आज से 3 साल पहले जब मैं मॉडलिंग करती थी, right, I used to feel that this is what I am born to do, right? I'm born to be a model, I'm born to be in front of camera and do XYZ things. And that was my life's purpose. But then after that, I found nutrition. I decided to quit modeling, and now I feel that okay, wow, nutrition is my passion, and this is what I want to do. Before these two things, I wanted to be a makeup artist and a hairstylist, right? So I have constantly switched how I feel about things, एंड आई डोंट फील कि इसकी वजह से यू आर गोइंग टू फील लेफ्ट आउट, या फिर आप अपने कलीग के साथ ज़्यादा क्लोज नहीं रह सकते, या फिर आप लाइफ में कुछ अचीव नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज आप कॉन्स्टेंटली चीज़ों को स्विच कर रहे हो. आई रियली फील एट द एंड ऑफ द डे life is too short to think about others, number one, and number two, it's never too late to start what you feel like you can be good at, right? No one starts as, okay, I am the best in this field. But you go into it, you take your chance, and then you see how it goes. So I believe in taking chances. I believe in giving my life a few instances jahan pe, okay, I can try this thing, I can try this thing, I can try this thing, and then I can see where life takes me. So it keeps it very adventurous, and I feel everyone should be this way. Most of the times you shouldn't be too scared to go after your dreams, even if that dream is something that changes frequently, because sooner or later you are going to find your path, but you don't know until you explore.
Yeah, totally. Everybody should like at least experience this risk take thing so that उनको पता चले कि is it something that they really want या फिर ऐसा ही काफी ज्यादा ऐसा होता है कि काफी टाइम हम कर सकते हैं कि ये मैं करना चाहता हूँ I have a heart in this but when you start doing this and you realize there are so many things that you did not consider before and now they're being a hurdle to you and now you don't want to do this anymore. So it is a risky thing. So you will need to kind of make sure first. अच्छा आपको ये
It's
आप मेरे
good
को ये
to take
बताओ.
risks.
Yeah, it's good to take risk. But पता है जो risk वगैरह भी you need to like well examine everything before taking a risk. It cannot be that random.
You don't well examine, you cannot, you have to be random. Sometimes there is only so much you can calculate, right?
Yeah.
There is only so much that you can put two and two together and you can feel like, okay, ye to aisa hi hoga, right? You never know what the universe has in its pocket for you, and you really have to just try sometimes.
Yeah. अच्छा आप जब प्रोफेशनल मॉडलिंग से आई बिलीव यू आर मेकिंग गुड मनी व्हेन यू वर डूइंग दैट एंड वो जो ट्रांजिशन हुआ आपके पास कुछ बैकअप ऑप्शन था कि लाइक इफ दिस थिंग डिड नॉट वर्क
Zero.
आउट फॉर मी देन नो
Nothing.
जीरो बैकअप ओह माय गॉड
Zero.
दैट वाज द काइंड ऑफ रिस्क लाइक ये काफी and काफी ब्रेव बनाता है
if
आपको.
if nothing would have happened, I would have been, I don't know, probably been married or something. Papa mummy ne shaadi karwa di hoti, but I never thought about it. I never thought about money even when I started modeling. I actually started modeling for free. I never charged money for the first 6 months when I was a model, and uske baad I started to charge thode, monetary benefits ke liye. Otherwise, I've never really done something for money कि ये करियर मुझे कितना पैसा दे सकता है. I have always only done things just because of the way they make me feel. That's it.
That is अच्छा ऐसे ही मेरे को लगता है कि स्टार्टिंग में whenever you are starting something new in the beginning you will always be like broke तुमको ज्यादा पैसा कहीं नहीं मिलेगा but when you get into things then you realize कि हाँ like I can you learn on the way.
You learn on the way, absolutely. You learn on the way, life teaches you, and most of the times, if you have faith in the universe, in your God, in whatever it is that you believe in, it always works out. And also listen to your parents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अच्छा how is your life going now? Is it the kind of one you imagined you would have while you were quitting modeling? So you knew that it was a very risky option. Still you did it and now luckily you are doing so great. So how do you feel? Did you imagine this all of this happening before you were doing this?
So I would say yes and no. That's a very diplomatic answer. But actually, what happened is when I started nutrition, when I started making plans for my few friends and relatives, I did it to help them, and I still do it for this. I will still not take clients that I cannot help, right? So that is something that has stayed with me. I do it to help people. But once I started to see the joy of helping people and the joy of communicating, the joy of connecting with people, then I decided that, okay, if I'm going to be in this career, I want this, 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 and this. So I did sort of, had the dreams that I am living today. So in a way, I have thought about it, but I thought about it pretty later and not when I started.
तो काफी बाद में जाके ये हुआ था आपके लिए.
Yeah, yes.
So luckily everything worked out so well for you.
So luckily,
What
yes,
challenges?
touch wood.
Yeah, yeah. So, acha, what challenges did you face on your way that you did not anticipate before?
So I think abhi ki date mein bhi the biggest challenge is okay, she's constantly so dressed up. She's constantly also talking about fashion and makeup and hair and all
Yeah.
of these things. So, is she really someone who can help me with my cholesterol issues and diabetes issues? Because उसका पूरा ध्यान सिर्फ उसके दिखने में होता है, right? So a lot of people
बिल्कुल.
still can't treat me not as a model and as someone who can really sort of help people with their medical conditions. So I think that's still a challenge for me, that when I walk into a room, I don't look like my profession.
हाँ वही मैंने जब आपका अगर आप कोर पे भी आपका नाम सर्च करो आपकी प्रोफाइल के बाद देयर आर सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस अंडर अ नेम कि क्या वो इतना क्वालिफाइड है वो इस टिप से
Yes.
स्टिल स्टूडेंट तो वो क्या ये मतलब ये कर सकती है क्या उन्हें प्रोफेशनल हेल्प ये गिव आउट करने चाहिए लोगों को तो ये काफी इट वाज वेरी लाइक प्रॉब्लमेटिक फॉर पीपल टू एक्सेप्ट यू
It's
लाइक
not,
दैट.
it's, yeah, it's not, I wouldn't say it's problematic. I really feel कि काफ़ी लोग जो कमेंट करते हैं वो सही बात बोलते हैं बट गलत वे में, राइट? अगर वो
हाँ.
क्वालिफिकेशन के लिए कुछ पूछते हैं, एजुकेशन के लिए कुछ कुछ पूछते हैं, तो वो उनका हक है, राइट? इट्स देयर राइट टू आस्क अबाउट मी. बट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स उनका क्वेश्चन लॉस्ट हो जाता है बिकॉज दे आस्क वेरी रूडली and they ask in a very mean way, which is what hurts people. It's not the question, it's the way they ask the question that hurts.
The way you do things is what matters. Doesn't
Yeah,
matter what you're doing. So,
yeah.
the way you're doing it.
The way you
Okay.
do it really changes everything.
हाँ like जैसे क्रिटिसिज्म वगैरह भी होता है फिर you're starting something new तो वहाँ पर अगर आप somebody just comes up and tell you कि this is not something for you I don't think you should do it anymore so it will very hurt that person because they're really putting their heart and soul into this and now somebody shows up and like throws all the shit on their face so yeah it hurts but the same thing when it is told by someone who actually wants to see you grow and see some potential in you, then it will be called as constructive criticism, and that will also help people. That will also help that person. कि अच्छा हाँ कि like yeah, he's saying something that is actually beneficial for me and not really making fun of my work.
Yeah, no, constructive criticism and criticism, they are two different things. And I think a lot of people are always criticizing. They never say a comment to help someone grow. They say it to sound mean and rude. And I'm not sure if their intention is to hurt someone, but they do end up hurting people.
Yeah, I would totally agree on that. अच्छा तो आप मेरे को ये बताओ कि आपने काफी सारे चेंजेस आए होंगे आपकी लाइफ में जब आपने क्योंकि मॉडलिंग वगैरह काफी इज इट सुपरफिशियल व्हेन यू वर डूइंग मॉडलिंग did you have to do things that you did not really feel like but it was like for you कि अगर if I don't do this then I won't grow. I believe those kind of things also happen in that industry. You can
Yes,
totally.
yes, it happens, and I think it's also one of the reasons कि मैंने क्यों modeling छोड़ा. Like of course nutrition तो है ही है, but इसके अलावा it's a very superficial world. Like everything is relied upon how good you look, how thin you look, how perfect you look, how flawless you look, and it's a facade, right? No one is looking
Yeah.
the way they look on the social media, but उन लोगों का मतलब आप किसी से भी मिलो, आप किसी से भी बात करो, आप किसी भी शूट पे चले जाओ, all they do is compare about how we look physically. And I feel life is so much more beyond that, and I don't want to spend the next 50 years of my life just trying to look good so that some people, you know,
So,
work with me and give me, yeah, give me money for the work that I do, etc., etc. I don't constantly want to be um, in front of someone's eyes to look good.
काफी ज़्यादा अगर आपको 24 घंटे यही ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि how you're looking all the time, then I think it will also hamper your mental health.
Absolutely, and your mind is always in your body, right? कि अच्छा ये
Yeah.
कैसा दिख रहा है, ये कैसा दिख रहा है, ये कैसा दिख रहा है. But life is so much more than that. Like, looking good is definitely something that I strive for, but it's not the only thing. But in modeling and that industry, it is the only thing, and that's my problem.
अच्छा, how do you look at looks now? जब आप modeling होंगे, then I believe it is the most important thing that is there in a person. But now that you are in a different career, how much does it matter for you now?
I think it matters to me equally, but it's also the fact that on days I feel that my mental health is not that great, right? I will not force myself to look good and just doing different things to make me feel better so that I'm looking good. I'll just relax. I'll just take it one day at a time. If I have to go 2 more days without shampooing my hair and my hair looks like crap, I don't care. I couldn't care less. So I think I prioritize my mental health over how I look. But of course, I mean, looking good, feeling good, they are all also related to health. So that is very close to me.
अच्छा, look, does feeling good equate with looking good? आप जितना अच्छा दिखते हो, does it equate to कि you will feel good as much as that?
No. For most people, this wouldn't be the case. Like we see a lot of people who lose 30 kgs, 40 kgs, 35 kilos, right? And they come in and they're like, okay, I've lost weight, but I don't feel well. Like when they are putting on their clothes and makeup, they might look good to the world, but at the same time, they don't feel well, right? So, this is the reason why I practice something known as holistic health, where we not only take care of how you look and how many kilos you lose, but also how you feel in your own skin, fat or thin or thick, doesn't matter.
अच्छा, even you lost a lot of weight. Now you posted about it in Quora and on
I
Instagram it
have,
is also visible.
yeah, I have.
So how was the transition for you?
I think
Like when you were, yeah.
the transition was exactly how I imagined. जब मैं जब मैं थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा हेल्दी हुआ करती थी, आई यूज टू फील दैट इफ आई वर अ लिटिल मोर थिन वन डे आई वुड फील दिस एंड बिकॉज आई लॉस्ट माई वेट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ 3 to 5 to 6 years, I'm still in the process of it. I just continue to feel better every single day because I did it in the right way. I never did like a crash diet or सिर्फ पूरे दिन cardio कर रहे हैं या gym कर रहे हैं. I really feel that for some reason, universe had my back, and touch wood, I feel great.
That is very nice that you are in a better position.
Yes.
जब आप modeling कर रहे थे, and the way you saw yourself,
Hmm.
was it something materialistic, like you need to do something on that and you need to change this, otherwise you won't be accepted by the industry? Were you constantly judging
Uh,
yourself over this?
I think maybe a little bit. I would say maybe 5 or 10% ऐसी feelings बिल्कुल आती थी, 100%. But I think that's just a human part of us, right? We are born with all of these emotions, and I think I used to feel something that was very natural. But इन चीज़ों ने कभी भी मुझे dominate नहीं किया. Like I never really went out of my way to impress anyone. So I am always sort of a person to initially थोड़ा सा I can feel a little off, but it's just a matter of 5-10 minutes, and I'm like, okay, जो है यही है, and अगर आपको ठीक नहीं लगता, so that's your problem, not my problem. So I've always had that kind of attitude.
अच्छा, जैसे अगर कोई कोडर है या फिर कोई सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर है, तो he will be constantly comparing his work with other people who are better in his field. So that is very natural to happen ना, like when you're in a work, वो उतना looks पे शायद ध्यान ना दे, वो उतना शायद how is hair looking and how is his face is looking, or if he's getting acne or not, शायद वो इतना मैटर ना करे जितना मैटर करेगा कि उसका सेम कोलीग उससे बेटर कर रहा है सेम फील्ड में.
Right, okay.
ये काफी ज्यादा आई थिंक इट हैपेंस विद योर वर्क मोस्टली। तो मॉडलिंग में आपकी काफी ज्यादा वो बॉडी को जज करते हैं, काफी ज्यादा ये सब चलता है। दैट इज समथिंग दैट
Yeah.
इज
So if you
बाउंड टू
look at
टेक
it, इफ यू लुक एट इट फ्रॉम अ थर्ड पर्सनस व्यू, वो लोग इस चीज को इतनी महत्व इसलिए देते हैं बिकॉज जो ऑडियंस है, जो कस्टमर है, जो लोग इन चीजों को कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, वो इन्हीं चीजों को देखते हैं, राइट? इफ यू डोंट वॉच व्हाट दे मेक,
आउट।
they don't make money out of it. So we are the ones, we are the same audience, we are the same customers who are really promoting zero size and perfect and filters and flawless skin and flawless hair and एक भी gray hair नहीं होना चाहिए. We are the ones who consume that kind of content on social media. That's why creators create that kind of content because वो they know कि अगर हमने इसके अलावा कुछ और किया तो हमारा काम चलेगा नहीं मार्केट में. यहाँ पे
And है तो उनका सीन रहता है कि
I
प्लास्टिक
think
बॉडी है
they
उसका।
are the next level. I mean, people hate them, people love them, people constantly talk about them. But at the end of the day, it's her money, it's her body. She's putting whatever she wants to, and we shouldn't bother with it. It's her life.
Yes, definitely. It is an individual's life and he or she can do whatever they want with it. But do you think it is like important for an influencer or someone who has a large mass level of following? They should really care about what they're doing and what they're putting it out of the world. Do you
Yes,
think
it's
that is necessary?
important. Yes, it's important to be mindful of the content that you share. But iske saath bhi, there is that one key point where there are so many people in this world that will never understand आप किस point से आ रहे हो and आपका perspective क्या है इस तरीके का content डालने के लिए, right? So at the end of the day हम लोग कितने ही precautions ले लें या फिर जिनके और mass में followers हैं वो लोग कितना ही precaution लें, जितने ज़्यादा लोग होंगे उतनी ज़्यादा आवाज़ होती है, उतने ज़्यादा व्यूज़ होते हैं, उतने ज़्यादा पर्सपेक्टिव होता है. एंड देर आर ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी पीपल हु विल मिसरीड एंड मिस इंटरप्रेट what the creator is trying to say and put out. So I think yes, एक लिमिट तक हम लोग true to your authentic self rather than constantly manipulating you because the social media wants you to be in a certain way.
अच्छा जब do you think it is hypocritical for a social or for someone who promotes body positivity and then they get plastic surgeries and stuff like the lip job or something? Is it hypocritical? I have a very, I don't know, if kind of weird sense of I saying it, and I believe this is so like it goes something deeper than the surface. आपको क्या लगता है इसमें?
I think it, I don't think it's hypocrite, and why I say this is because let's say body positivity, it doesn't mean कि आप अपने आप को एसेंचुएट नहीं कर सकते. जैसे मान लो किसी ने अपना लिप फिलर करवाया है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सो दे लव द लिप्स दैट दे हैड बट दे आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू hone it a little bit, make it a little bit better, and that helps that person. So at least in my view I am very open that way. And I feel यार अगर किसी को अपना लिप फिलर करवा के या बोटॉक्स करवा के या इम्प्लांट्स करवा के खुशी मिलती है and they feel well with it and it is good for their mental health, and if there is one person out there in the world who is happy with the way they are and with the way they look, I think everyone wins because we have one another happy human being. So live and let live.
Yeah, basically live and let live. That
Yeah, live
if
and
you
let live.
like, if you instill that thing in your life, then I think you will be out of most of the problems in your life.
Absolutely.
अच्छा अगर वो बॉडी पॉजिटिव अगर आपके लिए व्हाट डज बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी?
I think सबसे पहले तो you don't have to constantly put people in boxes that if that person is thin, that person is fit. If she's fat, she's sick or she's unhealthy. Same concept. आप किसी का बॉडी देख रहे हो, आपको उन्हें देख के नहीं अच्छा लगता, वो कैसे लगते हैं, उन्होंने क्या पहना है, उनका क्या दिख रहा है, नहीं दिख रहा है, just leave it, just scroll past it, and it shouldn't bother you. But at the end of the day, you have to look at your body beyond the way it looks. So beyond the physical body that you are able to see, you have to go deeper inside of you. So I feel when someone says body, I cannot separate body with the mind. And most people, when they talk about body, they're constantly talking about कितनी size है, क्या दिख रहा है, क्या नहीं दिख रहा है.
Physical as appearance.
Yeah, and this is the last thing that I do. I do not correlate body with just something that you are able to see. That's just a fraction of it.
Acha, is there a, like when people get plastic surgery and when people get into these things to fix their natural body, do you think it gets them anywhere near their perfect self? या फिर उनको ऐसा लगता है कि ये अचीव हो सकता है if we just keep putting plastic in their body? I'm sorry I'm putting it that way, but it's technically it is that, right? You
So
can disagree
no,
on.
if you are sitting here, let's say in India, and अगर आपको किसी ने बोल दिया है कि हे अंकिता, आपको पता है लंदन में ऐसा 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 होता है, अगर आप लंदन जाओगे तो आप बहुत खुश हो जाओगे, ठीक है. I believe if you are unhappy here with what you have, when you get more, when you achieve more, or let's say when you get the surgery done, or when you get to London, you are still going to be with that one person that makes you unhappy, and that person is you. Okay, so no matter with plastic or without plastic, you have to learn how to be happy with both of the things. You cannot get happy by moving from place A to place B. You get happy in place A, that's how you will find happiness in place B. Otherwise, you would be miserable in both the places.
Like everything, it depends. Everything is in you. मेरे को तो ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं. Like I'm not
Yeah,
into these things.
happiness.
But the
Happiness is inside of you. You create it for yourself. It's not in London. It's not in plastic surgeries. It's not when you're going to lose 30 kgs or when you're going to have flawless skin. Yes, you might feel great when that happens. And I really hope that that happens for you. But you have to find a way to be happy right now. That's it.
yeah. तो अच्छा, accepting your insecurities या फिर like how do you get rid of insecurities? How do you become a secure person? Is it by working on your insecurities or just accepting them as they are? Where do you put the line between?
You start by accepting. If you accept and if you have the awareness that there is a problem, and this is something that doesn't make me feel right, that's step one, that you are aware that something is not right. Then step two, you work on it, you try your best, and you make it as better as you can. So I don't feel you should neglect your insecurities or you should not accept it. I believe put your awareness, accept that it's a problem, work on it, do whatever you can to make it better, and that's it. If it works out, great. If it doesn't, at least you tried.
Yeah, हाँ, तो इतना ही. अगर आप basically like you just need to work on them. Basically, whatever, there are so many things that can be wrong with you. Not wrong, but some things that are not very good with you. Like the other person may have it better than you. So, is it comparing that gets us insecure, or is it like हम खुद ही like we do not want to accept ourselves? It is something tricky. I'm not really. I don't
We
really
are
know how
the
to put it.
creators. We are the
Yeah.
creators of our own problems. If you look at Kylie Jenner and if you feel insecure about your boobs and your hips and your thighs, it's your problem. It's not her problem. So we create the insecurities.
अच्छा, अगर let's suppose that it is something very वो क्या कहते हैं hypothetical.
Hmm.
So if the entire world was like um if the entire world वहाँ पे सब नॉर्मल दिखते हैं. If everybody was average looking, कोई भी ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं दिखता and nobody is looking lesser than you. So do you think there will be insecurities then with above
Yes.
above physical appearances?
Yes, yes, because again, the insecurity that we are experiencing आज की date में, it's not coming from the outside world, it's coming from our reaction to the outside world. So जितनी भी problems हैं वो हमारे अंदर हैं. And as long as you believe कि मेरी problem इसकी वजह से है and इसकी वजह से मैं तकलीफ में हूँ, you give your power to that person and that place. But we have to learn and accept that if something bothers me, it's because of me. It's not because of them. The noise bothers you, the traffic bothers you, the pollution bothers you, environmental crisis bothers you. It's bothering you. It's coming from you. There are so many people who are unbothered by it, and I'm not saying that we should be unbothered, but this is just an example.
हाँ, अगर मतलब basically everything comes within you, within from you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
From अगर तो शायद फिर you need to make a line ना कि draw a line that कि इसके पार अगर जाता है तो then I think this is something that needs to be dealt with और या फिर इस line से पहले है then this is something that I'm making up in my head. It is not something that is actually bothering or like I'm making this up all in my head. It is not even real.
Exactly.
अच्छा, now that you are now that you have gone from modeling, professional modeling, now you're into nutritional coach. I believe you are also into spirituality. I'm sorry.
Spirituality is, again, if you ask me, Ankita, define spirituality, I don't think I could even say one line to define it. But for me, how I look at spirituality is how deeply am I connected to myself? Because I feel that the whole universe and everything that we feel is coming from the outside is something that comes from inside of us. And for a lot of people, they realize it when they are 50, 60 years old. A lot of people realize it in their 20s, 30s, 40s. But at the end of the day, if you really put up the work in yourself, you will realize that, spirituality is something which is at the end of the day connecting deeply to yourself. And the more connected you are to yourself, the same amount of connection you can sort of find in other people. You can find it in living things, non-living things, and XYZ henceforth.
Yes, that was a beautiful answer. I think if you are the way it sounds, the way you portrayed it, the whole picture, then you can be easily like the world will look more beautiful to you then, wouldn't
Exactly,
it?
because yes, exactly, because you are connected to yourself, and now this same connection, the same positivity, the same love and kindness, your body radiates it out. So if you're having a bad day, most of the things will look bad to you. The traffic will bother you, the noise will bother you, your mom will bother you. अगर किसी का phone आ जाता है और अगर phone की घंटी बजती है तो that can also bother you. But when you're having a good day, ये सारी चीजें उस वक्त भी हो रही हैं, but it wouldn't bother you as much because you are different. So the external circumstances are still the same, but you feel differently, and that changes the way you see the world and experience the world.
Yeah. I got that question was personal and I was like a bit confused about this. Thank you for answering that. अच्छा आपने एक बात बोली थी थोड़ी देर पहले तो I would like to add something on that that in all of the insecurities that we have and all of the insecurities that I believe they we actually borrow it from the world. They are not really inherent.
Yeah, exactly. You consume information, your brain makes something out of it, and you experience an emotion or something like that, right? So I am a firm believer. I am the last person who would sit down and start to blame something. I have done that for the longest time in my life, but it's now that I realize that there are so many things that I cannot change. There are so many things that I can possibly accept and let go. And that just brings a lot of calmness inside of you. कि यार मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती अगर आज मुझे बारिश नहीं चाहिए थी, आज मुझे धूप चाहिए थी, एंड आज पूरे दिन बारिश हुई है, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते। या तो आप पूरे दिन बैठ के अब्यूज कर सकते हो उस वेदर को कि हमेशा आपके साथ ऐसा होता है, या फिर आप
Mhm.
एंजॉय कर सकते हो रेन को एंड यू कैन वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट सनी डे. सो अगेन, it's your perception, it's your reaction, and it's not just the rain.
Yeah, just like a boy goes to school and he has acne, or a girl goes to school who is overweight, उनको बचपन से like उनको घर में समझाया नहीं था या फिर उनको actually उनके mind में अपने आप से नहीं आ गया था कि that we should be insecure about this. When they go out in the real world, when they face people and they start pointing it out for them कि there's something
Yes.
wrong with it, you need to fix that.
ये
वहां
लोग
से
कितने
this
छोटे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं और वो कितने मोटे होते हैं, कितने सुंदर लगते हैं, कितने खुश होते हैं. मतलब उनके कपड़े पे कुछ लगा हुआ हो, वो खेलते हैं, हंसते हैं. दे डोंट केयर अबाउट देयर हेयर. इट्स ओनली व्हेन द चाइल्ड ग्रोज इनटू एन एडल्ट, एंड देन उसको पता चलता है, ओके, यहाँ पे रहने के लिए सर्टेन नॉर्म्स होते हैं जिसमें मुझे खुद को फिट
yeah.
करना होगा. Yeah.
Basically that there is something when they get into the society and society starts feeding these insecurities to them, that you need to be that certain way, you need to look that certain way, otherwise you won't be accepted by us. So वहाँ पे I think everything goes down the toilet.
And it's just also very important to accept that we are the society. हम लोग भी कभी ना कभी
Yeah,
किसी दोस्त को बचपन में गलती से कुछ बोल देते हैं, कुछ बिहेवियर हमारा होता है जो उनको ठीक नहीं लगता. सो वी आर ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल, वी आर द सोसाइटी, वी मेक द सोसाइटी, एंड वी आर ऑल इक्वली रिस्पॉन्सिबल. एंड देन it is also our responsibility to make it better.
exactly, that is something like I would totally agree on, and I have experienced it beforehand. कि जैसे like before coming out on the internet, before saying everything like these things like body positivity and security, these words were not in my life, and I believe in so many people's also. So वहाँ पे I like it was a very funny thing कि अगर कोई मोटा है तो then you can make fun of him because he is मोटा. तो अगर किसी के मुंह पे एक्ने ज्यादा है तो फिर उसके मुंह पे तुम क्या कहते तो फिर तुम उसको ब्लेम कर सकते हो अच्छे से. इट इज समथिंग वेरी okay to do so, and it is something you can make fun of. इतना कुछ बुरा नहीं है उसमें. But when it happens with you, and when you see other people blaming you on this, and this is something that is not like you did not ask for acne, I want them. You get
Yeah.
them genetically or somehow. But when people start blaming it to you, and obviously people are insecure, obviously people know what is wrong with, but like what is something that needs to be more worked upon. But when people start pointing it out for you,
There is
that's
a way
where
to say it.
everything.
या जस्ट हम लोग जो अभी कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म की बात कर रहे थे, ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी परफेक्ट है और सब कुछ हर इंसान परफेक्टली कर रहा है. इवन व्हेन समवन फील्स दे आर अ परफेक्शनिस्ट, देयर इज गोइंग टू बी समवन इन दिस वर्ल्ड हु इज गोइंग टू पॉइंट आउट कि क्या ठीक है एंड क्या नहीं. राइट. सो आई रियली फील कि अगर आप सच में किसी की हेल्प करना चाहते हो, एंड अगर आपको लगता है कि आप उसे कोई ऐसी काइंडली चीज़ बोल सकते हो जिसकी वजह से वो खुद को मोटिवेट कर सके, एंड उसके अंदर थोड़ी सी स्पार्क है क्योंकि उसे खुद को चेंज करना है, देन इट्स ग्रेट. Otherwise, you always have the option to keep your mouth shut.
या अच्छा आपको क्या लगता है आपको ये बात कब बोलनी चाहिए when it comes to telling should you do you like you won't just straight up walk up to a person and just tell them ki bro you need to lose some weight and I have some program for you would you like to check them out. It does not happen like that है ना.
So,
तो
you won't believe. I have my best friend and she has type 2 diabetes. I asked her to do her blood reports because of the a few symptoms that I was seeing. So I was with her for 2, 3, 4 days. Uske ghar pe I was in Bombay. I saw her and it's onset of type 2 diabetes. And aaj ki date mein bhi, I have not, sort of told her anything that can make her feel bad about what she has and how she is feeling. I did tell her that if you need my help on the food front, if you don't want to take the medicines, and if you want my help, you let me know and I will help you. And that's it. So वो हमारी conversation हुई थी, I think 1.5 या 2 महीने पहले. So my best friends, people in my family, my sister, my younger brother, I see all of them with some or the other health issue जो शायद उनको issue नहीं लगता. But I have never even said this to my own family जो कि शायद मेरी बात से बुरा नहीं मानेगी. And I think it's like this.
if she wants to help or something.
So she showed me the reports, right? कि अंकिता ये reports आए हैं. मैंने blood report देख के बताया कि report का क्या मतलब है. And then I told her that कि अगर आपको कुछ help चाहिए तो आप मुझे बता सकते हो. That's it. And अभी तक उसने मुझसे कुछ भी help नहीं मांगी है. So मैंने भी उसको कुछ नहीं बोला है. We never talked about it. Water under the bridge.
So the best way to go about this is to give the
Let them
until
know.
unless the person yeah, unless the person comes to you and asks about this.
Yeah, if you're concerned या जो भी है तो find the right time. Make sure that the person is in a right frame of mind. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि वो कहीं जा रहा है, वो तैयार हो रहा है, उसने कोई ड्रेस पहनी और आप बोलते हो
अभी
कि अच्छा
हाँ
तू तो
यार
आज कितनी मोटी लग रही है. Yeah, that ruins them.
और वो उल्टा वही ना the thing that we were talking about earlier कि the way you do things is not the way you do things is what matters, not what you're doing.
Yeah.
अच्छा now that you are in वो मैंने कितनी बार बोल दिया अरे हाँ. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि like do you think you still feel insecure sometimes?
Me.
Yeah.
Uh, Maybe, like I said, 5 or 10%, which is very natural. I don't attach myself to that insecurity. I know that my brain is looking at something and उसके पास already कुछ information है process करने के लिए and वो
Hmm.
उसके हिसाब से मुझे एक final result देती है. But I know that it's temporary. I don't attach myself to it and it goes away. So it's a feeling, yes, but that's how feelings are. They come and go. And you have to just wait until they go.
Yeah, feelings are something that is very uncertain, and if you rely on them, if you react on them, then I think you will never. I don't know. I don't even know what happiness is, but I don't think you can achieve satisfaction by that if you just take action upon feelings because they are very like unreliable.
Fleeting. Feelings are fleeting. Our mind is constantly changing and it can't be relied upon. You cannot always trust your mind. I think this is one of the most powerful things that I learned, that the mind is deceiving and you can't always trust it.
मैंने एक कोट भी सुना था कहीं पर कि योर ब्रेन इज अ योर ब्रेन इज अ बैड मास्टर बट अ गुड स्लेव.
No, I think your mind can be your master in a bigger, but yeah, yeah, there is a quote like that. I can't remember it completely, but yes.
But it makes sense to me कि अगर if you handle all of your things about life just to your brain and like you react on every feeling, like if you're feeling if you have a sugar craving and then you just go out and eat something that yet you know you will regret later, then you will never achieve. Let's say just you are just on a diet, फिर वहां पर अगर आपने किसी फालतू की चीजों पर you broke it, तो basically I believe it is a good slave if you know how to control it, if you can control feelings, if you know how to do things
Yes,
a certain way.
yes. You have to train your brain. I always even say this on my stories, that train your brain to be the way you want it to be. And science is now proving this, that how powerfully our brain can change, how powerfully our gut can change, and how both of them are connected. So, of course, हमारी unhealthy eating habits की तो कोई limit ही नहीं है. And that also affects our emotional health a lot. But definitely, there is always something we can do to make it better.
Yeah, totally. अच्छा आप ये बताओ कि I'm sorry I'm saying this a lot of time, I'm a bit nervous, let me accept that. बाकी कि what was one habit that changed the most in your life?
I think I already said it, that I no longer blame my parents, my family, my ex friends, my ex relationships, or my followers or social media for the problems that I experience. I take the responsibility for the problems I experience. I am 100% responsible for my happiness and my pain. And that's one of the biggest things I've changed about myself.
Does that make you the way you're saying it, then doesn't that make you angry most of the time?
नो इट डजंट मेक मी एंग्री, इट एम्पावर्स मी कि अगर गलती मेरी है तो सोल्यूशन भी मेरे हाथ में है एंड आई कैन मेक इट बेटर. दैट्स हाउ आई सी इट.
Yeah. अच्छा तो what's the end goal of insecurities?
What's the end goal of insecurities? They will.
Like working on them.
I don't understand the question.
Yeah, okay, let me rephrase that. Okay. So when you start working on your insecurities, so when do you know that you should stop now and it cannot get any better than this? When do you know that you need to draw the line and call it quits?
Dependent on how it makes you feel and how it affects your mental health and how it's affecting the people around you, how it's affecting the close people around you, your family, your best friends.
That sounds sane. Acha, last question. Okay, not last, but like the most asked questions, and that is something that goes around you very much on
Why
Quora.
do I think I
You
know the
know what is
question?
coming. Yeah, yep. Go.
So
Do you want
I
me to?
think
Yeah,
the million
go on.
dollar question, why do I use my
Basically,
photos? सो आई थिंक ये चीज़ मैंने आई थिंक शायद 6 महीने पहले या 8 महीने पहले पढ़ी होगी अपने ही कोरा अकाउंट पे. किसी आंसर में किसी ने कमेंट किया था कि देर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु राइट बेटर देन हर एंड देयर कंटेंट इज सो मच बेटर देन व्हाट शी इज पोर्ट्रेइंग, बट शी हैज दीज मिलियन व्यूज एंड उन लोगों के प्रोफाइल पे व्यूज नहीं होते. राइट, दैट वाज देयर कमेंट. Now
हम्म,
there was so much truth in what they said, और उन्होंने ऐसा लिखा था कि इसकी इसके आंसर्स चलते हैं और लोग देखते हैं क्योंकि ये अपनी फोटो ऐड करती है एज अ क्लिक बेट. ठीक है. बट देन am I supposed to be blamed, or the people who fall for the clickbait and my photos and who see my photos and who gives me the views are to be blamed? Like I said, it's the consumer. Okay, I did a very good, let's say, marketing. I exactly
yeah,
portrayed what people wanted to see. They clicked on it, and I have what I have. So is it my problem that I am so bang on, or is it on consumers' end that that's the kind of information they consume? So when I post a photo and my answer does great, and when I don't post a photo, my answer is not doing that great, why would I not use my photos and make it reach more people? Isn't it common sense? And why
totally.
should I be
अच्छा,
ashamed of it? Why should I be, like sorry about it? कि okay, I'm sorry that मैंने मेरी फोटो यूज करी. आप भी अपनी फोटो यूज करो. और कोई इंसान है जिसको अपने आंसर लिखने हैं वो भी अपनी फोटोज यूज कर सकता है. And they can see how it goes.
अगर जैसे पता है when it I think it all comes down to कि where a drunk person cannot blame the alcohol industry just because he's addicted to it.
Exactly, exactly, precisely.
और मतलब अगर तुमको लगता है कि ये ट्रैप है, अगर तुमको लगता है कि इफ शी इज डूइंग फॉर द व्यूज, तो तुमको
Don't
वो
watch
आंसर
my
खोलना नहीं चाहिए, व्यूज जाएगा ही नहीं.
don't watch my answer. Don't watch my answer. Don't comment on my post. Don't make me grow.
वही तो, कि ये पता मैंने पहले कहीं देखा भी था और आपने शायद ही कहीं डाला था कोरा पे, कि अगर तुमको पसंद नहीं है तो फिर म्यूट कर दो. और उसने कहा, फिर किसी और बंदे ने कमेंट किया था कि मैंने तो म्यूट कर रखा है. तो आपने शायद थैंक यू वगैरह बोला, तो इट वाज वेरी सेंसिबल ऑफ यू टू डू सो, कि भाई अगर नहीं पसंद, पता है एक्सेप्टिंग दीज थिंग्स की you will not be accepted by everybody is so important in life. Like I don't even know, it comes to everything. So अगर कुछ भी कर
Exactly.
रहे हो आप, there will always be people who are better than you.
आई नो. अब पता है जैसे अब जैसे आप खाली सोशल मीडिया पे देख लो, जो लोग विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू पीपल हु आर इनटू द एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री एंड पीपल हु आर डूइंग टिकटॉक वगैरह, या फिर जो पूरे दिन कोई प्रैंक की फोटोज वगैरह डाल रहे होते हैं, राइट? दे ऑल्सो हैव मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस ऑफ व्यूज एंड
Yeah.
फॉलोअर्स. Yeah. So you can't just tell them कि अच्छा इनका तो मतलब I also understand this thing कि Quora is a question and answers platform, and it's about answering questions, and it's not exactly something that can be compared to social media apps like TikTok.
बट इट इज बिकमिंग वेरी मच दैट, कि अब जब कोरा पे देखो, तो अगर आप 6-7 साल पहले देखो, द वे इट स्टार्टेड आउट एवरीथिंग, वहां पर कोरा वाज बेसिकली अबाउट क्वेश्चनिंग एंड आंसरिंग. अभी कोरा इज सो मच अबाउट आपको सारा, बेसिकली यू कैन गेट कंटेंट फ्रॉम एवरी प्लेटफॉर्म देयर. आपको फेसबुक से कुछ मिल सकता है, आपको ट्विटर से जो न्यूज वगैरह चल रही होती हैं, फिर पॉलिटिकल एंड रिलीजियस स्टफ यू कैन गेट देयर इन कोरा. When it comes to कुछ क्या कहते हैं जे नीट वगैरह, when it comes to academic stuff that is available on YouTube, you can get there on Quora as well. The people who have cleared IIT, they are answering your doubts. When it comes to social media, Wattpad, that's the best example. So people who are into writing stories and stuff, you can get them in Quora as well. So Quora, I believe, has become something that has sort of things from every platform right now.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड हर प्लेटफॉर्म पे उनकी एक अपनी ऑडियंस का नीश होता है जहाँ पे वो अपने टारगेट ऑडियंस को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं, राइट? एंड देयर इज नथिंग. I don't, so I very honestly brutally accept that I have posted photos and answers that was not needed, but I did it. I am not sorry about it, and I'm never going to delete it.
बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग दैट इज हेल्पिंग यू ग्रो. और पता है, जब ये सब, जब आपका बेसिकली जो कंटेंट रिवॉल्व करता है, बेसिकली व्हाट योर नीश इज अराउंड पॉजिटिविटी एंड हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल एंड स्टफ. तो वहां पर if a question is asking for a weight loss journey, then how would you express all of the things without posting or adding your pictures? It will not, like, people will not be able to understand.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I think pictures, speaks a thousand words. And when I don't have the time to write thousand words, I'll put in a photo. But I think it's fun for me. I like doing it. And also there are times जहाँ पे मेरे questions में मेरे question answers में मैंने photo नहीं डाला है. And even those answers have performed really, really, really well. So I am not a writer. I am not someone who is going to end up writing a book or something. I am not something that has been trained in this field. I just like to share my thoughts honestly. And on Quora, not everyone is coming to see a writer. They're just coming to connect to a human being.
बिल्कुल। अच्छा, जब आप देखते हो कि आपके पास काफ़ी तरीके का कंटेंट आ रहा है, आप भी कोरा पर होगे, आप कोरा पर हो, तो आपने देखा होगा कि ये वाला कंटेंट मेरे को पसंद नहीं आ रहा, लाइक दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट शुड नॉट बी ऑन कोरा। बट ये आपको पता चलता है कि ऐसा हो रहा है क्योंकि दैट प्लेटफ़ॉर्म इज़ ग्रोइंग। Absolutely, there is going to be something that will not be liked by you, and there is something that will be liked by you, that you will appreciate very much. A forest is not made up of only one tree, basically. तो वहाँ पे
Absolutely.
हर स्पेशीज की चीजें आपको मिलेंगी वहां पर। तो अगर अब बेसिकली आपको खाली एप्पल पसंद है, अब दूसरे बंदे को मैंगो पसंद है, तो यू कैन नॉट ब्लेम कि इस फॉरेस्ट में मैंगो नहीं मिलना चाहिए बिकॉज आई डू नॉट लाइक इट। ठीक है।
I agree. It's such a, you should write this in some answer.
Okay. तो अच्छा, आई थिंक दिस इज टाइम नाउ दैट पीपल वुड वांट टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम यू, सो आर यू ओके विद इट? शुड आई
Yes,
स्टार्ट?
absolutely. I would love that.
या अच्छा, पता है एक द क्लब हाउस थिंग दैट आई स्टार्टेड दिस, इसमें काफी ज्यादा इट कनेक्ट्स जो भी राइटर्स वगैरह हैं, उनको काफी ज्यादा एक अलग लेवल पे कनेक्शन मिलता है कि जैसे नाउ दैट यू एंड आई आर हियर, so the people they can ask questions to you on Quora as well, on Instagram as well, and you will answer like you reply to DMs. I've noticed that, but connecting verbally and orally and you know answering questions live, it is something that connects a person to person on a different level.
I agree.
Yeah. So so people who want to ask questions and whatever you have in mind, I think you can start. You can you can just raise your hand. There is an option right there on the right below. When you click on it, I will be able to know that you want to speak, and so I will let you. And for the people who are afraid, like who are not very okay with speaking in front of everyone, you can simply text your question to me right here. I will read them out for you, and then and she will be able to answer you. So whoever wants to ask questions, then please go on. Raise your hand. Acha, this person has asked this question. He or she wants to be anonymous. कि what is something जो कि आपने अपनी लाइफ में बदला है और आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। Hey, is my voice okay? Somebody is saying कि my voice is not okay.
No, your voice is okay. It's clear.
They're saying no. Still they are saying कि my voice is not clear. He's again sending that message. Oh my god. Let me rejoin. Just a second.
Hello.
Is it okay now?
I can hear you.
Okay, so I believe it is fine. Must be something wrong with that person's mic. हाँ, तो he was asking something कि yeah. So they were asking something ki what healthy lifestyle change have you made in your life that you would recommend to everyone,
Healthy.
basically. Yeah.
I think one of the easiest things would be to take care of your sleep. Try to sleep at the right time and wake up at the right time, preferably with the sunrise. If you live in a place जहाँ पे sun आता है, and I think that's one of the healthiest things you can do for your mental health and your physical health.
Just let's just say a person is sleeping 4 hours in the afternoon, 4 hours in the night. Does it count as a 8 hour sleep schedule that all of us had to like achieve in our lives?
Not really. Afternoon sleep is different than nighttime sleep. I mean, if it works for them, that's great. But ideally speaking, no.
Okay. Acha, if anybody wants to ask questions, please start raising your hand. There is an option right there beside your mic on the left side. So if you click on it, then I will know that you want to speak, and you can ask her anything you want.
Hello, Ankita ma'am.
Hi, Sagrika.
Hello. I
कैसे
want
हो
to
आप?
ask you मैं अच्छी हूँ. वैसे मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपसे मिलकर
Same
क्लब हाउस मीटअप
here.
में. So I want to ask you I'm really struggling. बहुत लेट उठती हूँ and बहुत लेट होती हूँ बहुत. So कुछ suggestion and tips कुछ.
सो आई थिंक यहाँ पे सबसे पहला ज़रूरी सवाल ये है कि डू यू रिमेंबर अ टाइम इन योर लाइफ जहाँ पे आप टाइम से सोते थे एंड इफ यस हाउ ओल्ड अगो इज दैट
I guess I was 16 or 17, सब स्कूल टाइम था
एंड
एंड
हाउ ओल्ड आर यू नाउ
पैंडेमिक भी नहीं था। हाँ,
हाउ ओल्ड आर यू नाउ अब आप कितने साल के हो
I'm 19.
Okay, so almost 3 years ago was the time when you were
Yeah,
sleeping well, and uske baad se your sleep pattern started to change. Okay.
yeah.
Now, second question is, do you think that आपका sleep pattern ज़्यादा odd हुआ है after the pandemic? So let's say last year.
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
Okay, got it. So, what were you doing before March 2020 that allowed you to sleep early as compared to what change happened in your life when the pandemic happened? What's the biggest change that happened? You stopped going out.
हाँ, kind of. Yeah, that's true.
Okay, okay, you stopped going out and then उसके बाद घर पे खुद को entertain रखने के लिए what do you usually do?
I use my phone. Yeah,
Okay, and what do you do on phone? Social media or
social
Kindle or
media,
studying? Social
so
media, right?
social media, yeah, reading and all.
Yes. So it's very important to understand that जो भी चीज़ हम हमारे माइंड को फीड करते हैं, हम उसे जो भी चीज़ दिखाते हैं, all of these things induces something known as dopamine hit मिलना, right? कि आप कोई चीज़ देख रहे हो, आप बहुत excited feel कर रहे हो, आप constantly scroll कर रहे हो, and your brain gets that flush of dopamine. Okay, and that can sort of impair how you feel. So आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि कब भूख लगी है, कब पेट भर गया, कब सोना है, कब नहीं
Okay.
सोना है, कब उठना है. So the solution is to stop that dopamine hit का influx जो आपके ब्रेन को constantly day in and day out for a number of hours मिलता है, उस चीज को कट डाउन करना शुरू करो. So you start off with having a screen time कि okay after 8:30 in the night I will not use my phone. So let's say अगर आप अभी 3 बजे तक रात को यूज कर रहे हो तो आप उस चीज को 12 बजे ले आओ कि मैं 12 बजे तक भले फोन यूज करूंगी but after that there is no phone. If I can't sleep I will be awake till 3. You can find a book to read, you can just put on some music and just lie in bed, but you're not allowed to use your phone. So what would you do in a world where there is no phone? Sooner or later, एक दिन your body is going to put you to sleep because that is its natural behavior.
Yes, now I get it.
Yeah, you have to correct the source of the problem, and the problem is that constant dopamine hit that you get from that phone. You have to cut down on that.
Actually, something that goes around that is named dopamine fasting. Is it something
Yeah,
that really works?
Yes, I think it has it makes a lot of sense, but at the end of the day, ये ऐसी चीज है कि आप 3 महीना सारी बकवास चीजें करते हो, आप 1 महीना नहीं करते, एंड देन फिर से आप 3 महीना बकवास चीजें करते हो. आई फील अ बेटर वे इज फास्ट एवरी सिंगल डे. So post 7 in the evening till next 7 in the morning, no phone, no social media. Use your phone. WhatsApp पे किसी को reply करना है. My whole business is on WhatsApp, so I have to be online. But apart from that, cut down on social media. Put a fasting screen time every single day.
Okay. Acha, Anushka, you wanted to ask us something.
Yeah. Hello, Ankita ma'am.
Hi. Hi, Anushka.
How are you doing? Hope you're
I'm good,
fine.
very well. Yes, how are you?
I'm fine too.
Lovely.
So, so actually, I watched a video of yours on YouTube some days
हाँ
back.
जी.
And in that video, you told that you are actually loving your short hair more, and you won't and you won't grow it. Okay. So the thing which I wanted to ask you is what made you, try on this experiment, because even I wish to do this thing, but I was just, maybe
Doubtful.
insecure, yeah, doubtful. What if the
Hmm.
experiment fails? What if I end up messing it up?
Looking.
Yeah, because now I'm too secure about my hair. But if I experiment and if it goes wrong, what happens next? So I just wanted to know what made you do so, and
So
what is the difference which you're feeling.
सो बताइए, आई थिंक दिस इज लाइक 6-7 years ago, एंड मी बीइंग मी, मैं थोड़ा सा स्टोरी बोलूंगी जिसकी जरूरत नहीं है, बट फिर भी आई एम गोइंग टू से इट. सो आई हैड लॉन्ग हेयर. आई वेंट टू द सैलून एंड उन्होंने मेरा शोल्डर लेंथ करा. ठीक है, उन्होंने मेरा शोल्डर लेंथ हेयर कट किया था. एंड मैं फटाफट करवा के आ गई, बिकॉज यू नो जब हम उतने छोटे होते हैं तो यूजुअली हेयर कट डिपेंड्स ऑन मॉम.
Yeah,
अगर मम्मी
yeah.
ने मना कर दिया तो आप बाल नहीं कटवा सकते. So that's what I did, and मैं फटाफट करवा के आई. And when I came back home, I did not like it much, probably because हमेशा लंबे बाल थे, अब एकदम से थोड़े छोटे हो गए, and
Exactly.
हमको थोड़ा सा अजीब लग रहा था. ठीक है, फिर जो नीचे वाली लेंथ थी उसको मैंने थोड़ा सा पीछे किया, तो आई वॉज एबल टू सी अ बॉब कट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग. अगर मैं पीछे वाले बाल छुपा दूं तो आगे से फिर मेरे बाल बहुत अच्छे लग रहे थे, एटलीस्ट उस वक्त जब मैं खुद को शीशे में देख रही थी. सो नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन मॉम वाज नॉट एट होम, आई वेंट टू द सेम बार्बर. उसी सैलून में मैं गई, एंड मैंने उन्हें बोला कि ये ऐसा जो दिख रहा है जब मैं बाल पीछे करती हूँ, आप ये कट कर दो. उन्होंने वो कट कर दिया, मैं वो कट करके घर में आ गई, एंड आई हैव नेवर गॉन बैक. So it's also important to realize that, touch wood, it's just hair, and thankfully hair grows. It's a good news. So अगर कुछ disaster हो भी जाता है, so at least you tried it once in your life, you know, and you don't have to be sorry about it. It's an adventure. If it works out, great. If it doesn't work out, I will grow it back.
Yes, exactly. Glad
Yeah,
to
it's
know
just
it.
hair. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
just hair and it's going to grow back.
Yeah. Okay. Glad to hear you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Acha, Ankita, next question that we have is from an anonymous person and she wants to say anonymous. That is gym better than yoga or is yoga better than gym? Like which one is better than between the two? In between the two
Is eyes better than ears, or is ears better than eyes?
phase.
Yeah.
No, bilkul, I got my answer. Like if you need to explain more than that for that person.
No, so eyes and ears is like, आंखों का एक अपना काम होता है जो कान नहीं कर सकता, और कान का एक काम होता है जो आंखें नहीं कर सकती. इन अ सिमिलर फैशन, जिम का एक काम है जो योगा नहीं कर सकता, एंड योगा का एक काम है जो जिम नहीं कर सकता. सो दे आर बोथ एक्सीलेंट.
So is there a mix between two? You need to find a balance, right?
Yes, you can find a balance. I recommend doing both 100%, but you can start off with anything that feels comfortable. If you're a gym rat and if you don't like yoga, that's cool, but I recommend doing both.
Okay. So next, Krishna, where you wanted to ask something?
हाँ जी। अंकिता हेलो।
Hi Krishna, how are you?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ.
अच्छा, मैं थोड़ा लेट जॉइन हुआ, मुझे पता नहीं, शायद ये कवर हो चुका होगा। मैं फिर
अच्छा.
भी पूछता हूँ।
जी.
आपको वेट लूज करने के लिए इंटरमीडिएट फास्टिंग कैसा ठीक रहेगा या कुछ और ट्राई करना पड़ेगा?
आई थिंक इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है वेट लॉस के लिए भी. एंड आई थिंक अगर आप अपने लिए सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, सो मेल बॉडी के लिए इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग और भी ईजी होती है एज कम्पेयर टू किसी फीमेल के लिए करना. बट आई फील इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग इज अ ग्रेट ईजी वे टू लूज वेट, स्पेशली फॉर मेल. सो आप ये चीज़ बिल्कुल कर सकते हो, बट मेक श्योर दैट वेन एवर यू आर ईटिंग फूड इन द फीडिंग विंडो, आप अच्छे से अपना न्यूट्रिशन फिल्ड खाना ले रहे हो.
जी, थैंक यू।
जी.
वैसे एक और चीज़ दैट मैंने 10 केजीज़ लूज़ किया बट और फर्दर लूज़ नहीं हो रहा, लाइक इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग से ही और आगे
So
आई डोंट नो, आई एम सो स्ट्रगलिंग विद इट.
So it's like it's known as hitting plateau, right? It's known as कि आपका plateau आ
हाँ,
गया है, अब आपका weight कम नहीं हो रहा. It just means that you need to change things for your body. आप अभी तक जो भी कर रहे थे, आपकी body ने उसे completely adapt कर लिया है. आप 16 hours पे fast कर रहे थे, your metabolism has changed to that place where it is only active at a certain, at a certain speed, at a certain place. So what you need to do now is change it. अगर आप हर रोज रनिंग करने जाते हो, उसको कट डाउन कर दो हफ्ते में 2 दिन. अगर आप हर रोज 18 आवर्स ऑफ फास्ट कर रहे हो, उसको कट करके 12 आवर्स पे आ जाओ. इफ यू आर ईटिंग 2 meal in a day, start to eat third meal in a day. Change whatever it is that you have been doing. Shock your body.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू
Yes,
सो मच.
you're welcome.
Kiran, Sneha wants to ask कि you have said in one of your videos that how our thoughts affect our skin on our overall health, and like practicing it helped our skin and health go better. So does it really help that way, or how do you say it?
I think we are made up of cells, right? And every cell in our body is vibrating at a certain frequency of energy. आप किस एनर्जी से अपने स्किन से बात करते हो, अपनी बॉडी से बात करते हो, आप खुद को किस तरीके से देखते हो, all of these things definitely has the capacity to change the way the cells respond. Our skin is an organ which is also made up of cell. So I feel that I'm so glad, Sneha, that this has worked for you, but there's 100% a lot of truth in this. I'm not sure if there is a scientific paper that I can quote, but I know from my own experience that it works.
Okay, so if anybody wants to ask questions, raise your hand and I'll let you. If you want to stay anonymous and you don't want to speak in front of everyone, then just text me your question right here and I will ask her questions to her for you.
Big fan, and I follow all of
I
your
am a very
videos on
big fan of yours.
YouTube. Actually, I wanted to ask that you always say that we have to journal our things, or you always practice journaling. So, if
Yes.
I'm a beginner, how does it help me, and how can I start?
सो आई थिंक सबसे पहले तो जर्नलिंग का सिर्फ एक ही मकसद होता है मेरे हिसाब से, कि एटलीस्ट यू सिट डाउन विथ योर सेल्फ टू स्पेंड सम टाइम विथ योर सेल्फ। ठीक है, आप जितना खुद के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, आप खुद को बेहतर समझते हो, आप अपने आप से ज़्यादा अच्छे से कनेक्ट होते हो, एंड दैट कनेक्शन helps you make the life of your dreams. It helps you be happy and it helps you achieve your goals. So I feel the one of the intentions of journaling is कि आप बैठो एंड आप अपने थॉट्स को देखो। काफ़ी बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें नहीं पता होता कि हमें हमारी ज़िंदगी से क्या चाहिए, पर जब आप खुद के साथ बैठते हो, थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, तब आपके दिमाग में थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें आती कि अच्छा यार, मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हो, या फिर मेरे साथ ऐसा हो, या फिर मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए ऐसा करूँ। आई थिंक दैट्स वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट रीजन्स वाई आई लव जर्नलिंग। एंड इफ यू आर अ बिगिनर एंड इफ यू डोंट नो वेयर टू स्टार्ट, आई डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड कि आप अपना कोई भी नॉर्मल डायरी ले लो। आपको ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप कहीं बाहर जाके कुछ फैंसी जर्नल खरीदो। जस्ट टेक अ डायरी, टेक अ नाइस पेन, टेक अ पेन। पता है, कुछ पेन होते हैं जिनको पकड़ के लिखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। आई फील इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स कि यू लव राइटिंग डाउन योर थॉट्स, ओके, एंड द पेन प्लेज अ क्रूशियल रोल, इवन if it sounds stupid right now, and start to write down, yeah, this is how I feel today, this is how I slept today, this is what I ate today, this is what I'm looking forward to. Something like this happened with me. I would want for this to happen. And I'm so grateful for my parents. I'm so grateful for my friends. I'm so grateful for support. I'm so grateful that I got A grade in my school. Just things like that. And then when you start to do it every day, your mind will give you more thoughts. And then you would be able to structure it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Acha, this question that you were talking about this previously, and now I wanted to go about more deep on into this. Ki, see, I've heard all of these things, like manifestation वगैरह. Do you do this manifestation वगैरह?
Every single day, every single minute, every single second of my life.
Like affirmations वगैरह जो होते हैं, like if you speak to your
Always,
body in a certain way.
always. 110% yes.
अच्छा, मेरे को पता है, लाइक मैंने काफी ज्यादा देखा है. आई डू नॉट रियली नो अबाउट दिस इन डीपर लाइक यू, बट द वे पीपल डू इट, कि if you start telling yourself that you are going to be successful, if you recite this to yourself 100 times a day, does it really help? Like I've seen so many people do this and they are just sitting all day on the couch and watching Netflix, but at the same time reciting themselves to the mirror, in front of mirror, and telling that they are going to be successful. Does it really work that way?
I think manifestations does not work without action. At least I am a firm believer of that. But I also know that कहीं ना कहीं 5 या 10% काफ़ी ऐसी चीज़ें होती है ज़िंदगी में जिसके लिए आपको एक फिंगर भी लिफ्ट नहीं करनी पड़ती, and you know the whole universe comes in front of you, and that's just really your good luck and destiny, and both of them exist even if you don't believe in it. It's just like gravity. It is there, it is always working, it is constantly ever present, right? So I feel manifestation and action goes hand in hand. 90% of the times. But I have things in my life जिनको मैंने शायद manifest without किसी action किया है. So I am a believer of both, but mostly with actions 90% of the times.
Like without actions, it's just lying to yourself.
Lying to yourself, or it's just presenting it to myself. Like I wanted something, I'm looking at it, I'm not really doing anything about it, and one day, just someone can wake up and gift it to me.
It does not really work like that, है ना?
Sorry?
It does not really work like that.
It works like that sometimes. Like मेरे पास जिंदगी में काफी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो मैं हमेशा से दूर से देखती थी, और मुझे ऐसा होता था कि काश मैं ये खरीदूं, and then one day someone just came into my life and gave it to me. So it has happened that way, but not everything, maybe a few things.
अच्छा, तो still you can't like lose everything to that, like leave
No, no,
everything
of
on
course
that,
not. No, no, no,
है
no.
ना?
You have to get up,
Work.
wake up and work. Yes, absolutely.
अच्छा, मतलब it like the whole picture it is about कि you are working in front of for your goal all the time, and also like when you are away with yourself and when you are facing some sort of failure, या फिर आपको कुछ लग रहा है कि you need some sort of guarantee like can be successful, तो ये आपको it helps as a friend.
Yeah, absolutely.
दैट साउंड्स बेटर. पता मैंने कितने सारे लोगों को देखा है और उनका मेरे को एक्चुअल में लाइक कितने सारे लोगों को देखा है कि दे आर मैनिफेस्टेटिंग, वो क्या कहते हैं उसको, ब्लो जॉब, सॉरी, ओ माय गॉड, लिप जॉब,
Okay.
या like something that is changing about your appearance. Like अगर like my nose needs to be certain way, my lips need to be certain way, I have my eye color changes, like the clips are there on YouTube literally, so no, really, and your eye color will change in some sort of time.
I don't
Sublimination
believe
That
in
is
that.
some.
कुछ type का, right?
I don't believe in that. मतलब
देखा.
that happens. I'm sure ये लोगों के साथ होता होगा, but at least मैंने तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया है. If I do it, I'll make a video about it, but
They are making a video
I
like
don't know.
flat stomach चाहिए तो listen to this. What?
अरे I
वो
saw this.
subliminal है
हाँ
ना?
हाँ, right
I
right
saw
right.
this एक Instagram की रील पे कि आप अपने पेट पे ये मंत्र लिख लो, and ये मंत्र लिखने के बाद आपका पेट अंदर चला जाएगा. And this was some astrologer.
What?
I was like, oh God, like these people are going to put me out of business.
As, और मतलब these are the people who are like make money out of this. कि
Yeah.
मैं views वगैरह देखे, views वगैरह है, and then like obviously it does not sound something like that would work.
See, now that's a real clickbait. What we do is not a clickbait. What they are doing is really a clickbait.
What people are doing on Quora with putting their pictures in their answers is basically a good marketing.
Yeah. If you
जो
don't
कि
know, if you don't know your strength, and if you don't know how to use your strength well, you can never be a good businessman. If you are always going to be like, okay, this is good about me, but I should not probably use it, then you are foolish. I know my strengths and I use them.
and it is not even wrong at some point ना कि like you need to do something. Like कितने सारे लोग होते हैं अपनी आर्ट पे कितना वर्क करते हैं, जो भी उनका फील्ड है वहाँ पे कितना वर्क करते हैं, but basically just they do not know how to communicate this, or do not know how to show this to the other person. The whole thing goes down the drain.
Exactly. It's never, no. You wouldn't visit a dentist with a crooked teeth. You wouldn't visit a skin doctor who has a compromised skin. You wouldn't visit a hair doctor जिनके खुद के सर पे बाल नहीं है, right? So I have to talk the walk. If I constantly talk about gut health, it should show on me, and there's nothing wrong about it.
Exactly. Are, so many people do not even realize that कि if you are promoting something, then at least you need to be good at it, let alone many other people.
Exactly.
Okay.
Actually,
So
what's
I
your opinion? Ankita ma'am से मेरा question है, like what's your opinion about face massages? Like अभी reels पे बहुत आ रहा है गुआ शाह बोल के, like crystal है या फिर ऐसा कुछ type का. So what's your opinion about this?
I think it's pretty good. I think अगर आप उसे सही टेक्निक से करो, अगर आप उसे सही तरीके से करो, there is something known as lymphatic system in the human body, just like circulatory system and respiratory system, right? So I think lymphatic system is one thing जो खुद से move नहीं करती है. आपका blood है, अगर आपका blood पूरे दिन circulate हो रहा है, that happens because आपका heart एक muscle है जो उसे push करता है, okay? बट हमारे लिम्फ के पास ऐसा कोई इंजन नहीं है जो उसको पुश करे। तो बॉडी मसाज करवाना, जंप करना, वॉक करना, गुआशा यूज करना, रोज क्वार्ट्स वगैरह यूज करना, ये सारी चीजें हमारे लिम्फ को मूव करती है। एंड आई फील व्हेन इट इज डन वेल, इट इज एक्सीलेंट।
Okay, thank you.
वेलकम।
अच्छा, Snehal wants to ask कि taking protein shake while going to gym is safe in long term to gain weight or taking organic diet is much better.
I don't, सबसे पहले तो hi to the person who has asked this question.
Yes,
Number
Snehal.
two, yeah, and number two, organic diet जैसा दुनिया में आज कुछ भी नहीं है, ठीक है? There is no such thing as complete organic and completely chemical free and completely toxins free. हर जगह पे कुछ ना कुछ manipulation होता ही होता है. Something like protein powder is also, you know, it's man-made, it's coming from a manufacturing unit, it's processed, XYZ. It comes in a plastic bottle and ये सारी चीजें होती हैं. I believe in protein powder. I have read research of people like, for example, इनका नाम है Professor Don Lehman. आप खुद भी जाके इनके research papers पढ़ सकते हो. He's been working on protein as a topic for the last 25 years. He's in his 70s right now, okay? So ever since he was young. And these are the people जिनके research और science पे मैं complete भरोसा रखती हूँ. And I know protein powders, if they are of good quality, they are absolutely safe in the long run.
Okay. Yopu Toko wants to ask कि how do you deal with negative emotions and anxiety and when you are feeling overwhelmed?
How do I deal with negative emotions and anxiety? Number one, I try to find the source of it. You know, कि मैं ये फील क्यों कर रही हूँ. अगर उसने मेरे बारे में बुरा बोल दिया, किसी ने मुझे बोला कि अच्छा उसकी स्किन अच्छी नहीं है या उसकी बॉडी अच्छी नहीं है, उसके पैर अच्छे नहीं है, let's say if that is a negative comment for me on a given day, I like to see कि am I really insecure about the thing that this person pointed, या फिर ये सिर्फ उसका point of view और इसका मेरे से कोई लेना देना नहीं. It's very important to dig deeper into your emotions so that next time वो same चीज हो तो आपको खुद पे कुछ control हो, आपको खुद से कुछ पता चले कि okay ये हुआ है and मैं इस चीज को इस तरीके से बदल सकता हूँ, right? So how I deal with it? Number one, bring your awareness, see what is the source of the problem. Number two, try to rectify it. Number three, take a nap. Take a nap, wake up, and most of the problems are solved.
Oh, that sounds like a much better solution.
Yeah, take a nap, sleep on it.
अच्छा, when it comes to negative emotions, when let's just say, just took the example that somebody has pointed out to you something that kind of hurt you. Basically, we assume that it hurt you. So things that always hurt us are something that we also believe are kind of true, slightly true. When if somebody on the road called you a giraffe or something, like called me a giraffe or called me a, I don't know, called me a hippopotamus, then I will obviously not like go home and cry about it. But if somebody says something that I'm actually insecure about and something that I'm actually like feel inferior about, then this is something that will actually hurt me deep down.
Possible, yes. I agree.
Yep.
Yeah.
So if I'm not really getting any more questions here, so last time I'm asking everyone to do so. If you want to ask questions to her, and like if you want to
Like,
ask her yourself, then please raise your hand. Otherwise, you can text your questions to me, and I will ask her for you.
Sachin, can I ask
Anand,
something to her?
yes, please, yeah. Shasha.
Uh, I have seen your videos, Ankita, where you talk about moon phases relating to our menstrual cycle. So, like, are these things really scientific? Like, do you actually believe in it that it may really affect our cycles, whether the moon is in the full phase or it's waxing or waning? How does it affect us?
I think it is 100% true. Now, I am not saying that this is 100% scientific, but then it's also very important for us to realize that science is not catching up with everything. जो हमारे एंसेस्टर्स आज से बहुत साल पहले जानते थे, उस चीज को साइंस आज एक लैबोरेटरी में प्रूव कर रहा है, right? There is something known as science, and then there is something known as ancient wisdom. Our ancestors used to do it without even knowing the significance of it, right? And if you constantly have to believe science, at one point we thought that Earth was flat. That was also science, right? but that changed over the years. So it's very important for us to have that disparity between science and common sense. And of course, knowing that ancient wisdom holds a lot of truth and wisdom with the things that they talk about. I 100% feel that the waning and the waxing and the full moon and the half moon affects the period. And even if a lot of females don't believe in this, at least I am someone who can look at the calendar and just see ki Ekadashi kab aa rahi hai, and I can tell you when am I going to menstruate. And it is always in sync with that moon cycle. So I definitely believe in it.
So, like, is there a perfect time to menstruate? Like, I have read somewhere that when there is a new moon, you should menstruate. So, is it for everyone? Like, everyone should menstruate at that time only?
ये ये चीज ट्रू होती अगर everyone was eating the same thing, everyone was breathing the same air, and if everyone was drinking the same water. ये चीज अब ट्रू नहीं हो सकती because we live in a very different environmental situation as compared to where we come from. पहले के लोग साथ में time spend करते थे, communities होती थी, every night before sleeping they used to sit with each other, and there is also something known as a pheromone effect wherein let's say that there are few experimentations done कि एक लड़की को periods नहीं आ रहे हैं, and if you put her for a few hours in a room full of women who are bleeding, there is a good chance that she will also start to bleed. So this is the kind of connection we as human beings are capable to have, but all of that is lost because we are more socially connected and less humanly connected, less physically connected. So वो सेम चीज अब किसी पे लागू नहीं हो सकती, बट पहले बिल्कुल ऐसा होता था.
तो मतलब अगर हम सब अभी भी ट्राई करें तो वी कैन स्टिल गेट इन सिंक विद द मून.
I don't think, yeah, you can get in sync with the moon. I didn't used to be this way for 5, 6, 7 years. I mean, as long as I bled. So I started my periods in 10th standard, and up until my college was finished, this was never like this. It's just in the last 2 years that I've started to take care of myself, and my periods have been better. There have been painless and all of these things that I've started seeing a connection with the moon. And then, of course, there are so many great doctors and people who do talk about this.
Okay. And I have like one last question.
Yes, please.
Actually, I have seen you always that you have transformed on a very good level. And to be very honest, I also want to do so, but I always fall back due to my habits. Like if I wake up 2 days in a row at a correct time, the third day I mess it up somehow. So how are you so consistent throughout all this process of your transformation?
Just write down what I'm about to say. Falling is not failing. अगर आपने 2-3 दिन कोई चीज ठीक की और एक दिन आप फेल हो गए, ठीक है, you just have to start again. You fell, you didn't fail. There is a difference. But if you accept that you have failed and you can't do this and this is not for you, but if you are just kind enough to treat yourself in a way that, okay, मैं गिर गई, मुझे चोट लगी है, tomorrow is a new day, it's another sunrise, and I'm going to make this work, you would be able to make it work every single day.
So we have to start from that place itself.
Start over.
Every
Start over again, okay? There is no such thing as failing. You have to just start again every single day.
And how much time do you think that this whole transformation would take, like both for physically and emotionally?
So again, I think this is my favorite word to use, and it's a miracle that almost डेढ़ घंटे की conversation I've not used it. But the concept of bioindividuality, right? Everyone has their own speed and timings, and honestly, the day you take your eyes away from the destination. So imagine that you are in a car and you are going on a road trip. अगर आप कॉन्स्टेंटली सोच रहे हो कि जब मैं एम्स्टरडेम में लैंड करूंगी तब मैं कैसा फील करूंगी, वहां पे क्या होगा, वहां पे कैसे ब्रिज होंगे, कैसे लोग होंगे, कैसे कैफेज होंगे, then you miss out on everything that the road has to offer you before you reach Amsterdam. So this whole life is not about a destination. Everyone knows everyone's destination, and that's death. But it's what happens before death that matters. So you have to bring your attention to the journey of this and not the destination of this. And the more you are connected with the journey, the sooner the destination comes.
Okay, thank you. Now I
You're very
think I
welcome.
get your point of it's a beautiful day to be alive.
Absolutely. You just have to start over every single day. And that's one of the secrets of people that you see are disciplined. There are people who read one book in a day, two books in a day, three books in a day. They just make a decision every morning that I'm going to make today, work. I'm going to make this day happen. I'm going to make this thing happen. And they make it happen.
Okay, I'll try my best. Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
Sure, we have last questions, and I think Aditi wants to ask: Can face wrinkles be reversed by nutrition and skincare at early age?
Um, mm, mm, mm. My honest answer would be no, because reverse is a very strong word. Can it be managed and can we make sure that it doesn't get worse at the same speed? Yes, but ideally, no.
Okay, so Ritika Bara wants to ask: Were you ever been bullied about how you looked?
I was, absolutely.
And last question is from Aditi again, and she wants to ask how to start with meditation and how should you proceed.
How to start with meditation? I feel the easiest thing to do is start off with a guided meditation जहाँ पे कोई पीछे से कुछ बोल रहा है and then आप उस चीज़ को फॉलो करने की कोशिश करते हो. So if you can make a note, एक माइंड वैली करके चैनल है, उसमें विशेन लखानी के काफ़ी सारे ब्यूटीफुल गाइडेड मेडिटेशंस होते हैं, 15 मिनट्स के, 20 मिनट्स के, थोड़े से लंबे होते हैं, बट उस मेडिटेशन में आपको बोलते हैं कि अच्छा आप ये इमेजिन करो, आप खुद को 5 साल के बाद देखो, आप इमेजिन करो कि आप अर्थ को देख रहे हो. सो वो आपका थोड़ा सा माइंड इतना प्रेजेंट होता है उस वक्त, बिकॉज आपका ब्रेन कॉम्प्रिहेंड करने की कोशिश कर रहा होता है कि ये आदमी क्या बोल रहा है एंड मुझे क्या करना है. Right? So I feel one of the easiest ways to start meditation is do guided meditation. Do meditation with music. अगर आपने कोई म्यूजिक लगाई है तो उसमें पियानो की धुन हो सकती है, उसमें गिटार की धुन हो सकती है, एंड ट्राई टू सी कि मैं कितने तरीके का म्यूजिक सुन पा रही हूँ. एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग that brings you to present, and that is what meditation is. You are in the present. Your mind is not in the past, your mind is not in the future. You are just here right now where life is happening.
Okay, so that will be pretty much it. So Ankita, thank you for coming. I believe you did you have fun? Or be honest about it. How do you feel about this whole thing?
I think the best thing about this is that I get to talk to people, and मैंने कुछ लोगों की आवाज़ सुनी, कुछ लोगों का नाम सुना, and that's the most beautiful thing. Like I feel much more connected when I speak with someone rather than just, typing a message and saying hi and leaving. So I love that.
Yeah, and you are also very good at it given that you do it almost every day.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so that will be pretty much it. I'm not getting any more questions, and I think it is also pretty much time now that you will have to leave. Acha, did you have a lunch? You said you will have to do it
I
early.
I didn't. I will eat now.
I'm really sorry you have to do it that way.
You don't have to be. I'm okay. I anyway had a little late breakfast, so it's all cool. I'm so glad I did this.
Okay. So that will be pretty much it. Thank you Gita for coming at my one request. You were so nice to come and I
Thank
learned
you.
so many things. I'm being very honest about this.
Thank you
And I
so
hope
much. I really hope you are
when it
able to put
happens,
it to use.
yep. So when it happens next time, I believe we can also have you here again.
Absolutely, I would love to. As long as the beautiful people who are here with us, they join us, I would love to come here again.
Yeah. So
Done. Thank you so much. Thank you,
that will be
Sachin. Take
pretty much,
care.
yeah.
Bye, everybody. Take
Thank you
care.
Gita for coming and yeah, stay safe.
Bye.
So that was pretty much it for guys for today and please come back on Sunday. Some new people will be coming to another Sunday as well. So stay connected and if you want to find out who is coming next time. That was it. Stay safe.